I'm on vacation. I thought I'll do a look. You know, in my house, there's so much of construction sound that I have to always dub my voice. Here I can do buk buk during makeup. I'll just moisturize my face. I'll just do a light eyes and a bright lip look. I'm going to use a little bit of foundation. A little bit of concealer. Blend it all out. Now a little light contour. Some on the temple. For the nose, just flatten your brush and put it on two sides, and that's good enough. Now take any powder or powder foundation and just mattify the top of your eyes so that your eyeshadow glides on easily. I'll take a neutral brown, tap it all off and just put it on my upper lid. Put it all over your upper lid till your crease line. And if you have hooded eyes, then go above. Otherwise, this is where you end your eyeshadow. The part that is on the lid, upper lid. Same here. And do tap off the extra product every time. And bring it down a little bit. Whatever is left on your brush. Take the shimmer shade from your palette and just put it on the upper lid. I'm going to just take the darker brown, whatever dark brown you have, with a pencil brush. Pencil brushes are available in many brands. You don't have to always get a MAC or a Morphe. It's just all over. Okay, some on my outer lower lash line. Outer so that the eyes look bigger and more opened. If you want to bring it in, go for it. Little on the outer corner. Very little. There's so much that can be done with eyeshadow and it's so much easier than eyeliners. You'll keep asking me why I don't put a liquid eyeliner, because everybody does and there's no rule in makeup as long as it works for you. I don't like it because yes, I can do a wing, but it takes me so long and to get it right. I don't like my wing looking like this and it just takes long. If I have a makeup artist, I do it. The day I'll find a good hack, I'll share it. But if I share something I don't do, that's just going to be a lie. Because this is easier. I'd rather have no eyeliner than messy eyeliner. One more thing, eyelining doesn't have to always be liquid eyeliner. There's this mental block people have. Anything you line your eyes with is an eyeliner. So it could be a pencil, it could be anything, it could be eyeshadow. It's really up to you. Curl my lashes a bit. If you're unable to, that's fine. Then you go for a curling mascara. But if you are able to, then do it. I always line and fill out my lips with a nude lip liner. It makes the lipstick stay longer. And some of us have pigmented lips where the shade is not equal. So this kind of gives you an even surface to work on. I think I'll do some red lips today. I shall set my eyebrows. I don't usually draw it because I have very thick eyebrows. I don't like to make it more bold. If you need to, go for it. If I find someone to demo on, I will. But for now, just freeze it. That's what I do. Use a gel. Then it won't move. I'm using a mild blush, but I love it. This is Bareback by Nude Sticks, a brand I love. I'm using a cream blush because I always do, because I have dry skin. If you have oily skin, just go for a powder based one. Just use a blush of your choice, but make sure you use a blush. And blend it all in. Blend it really well. I'm going to use a bit of a highlighter. Some on my nose. Just touch up my Studio Fix. Just touch up the powder wherever required. Let me quickly change and then we'll see the full look. Okay, I'm almost ready. I'll just add a earring. I started really enjoying big earrings since I've cut my hair, which is such a comfortable decision. I'm really comfortable. So my makeup is done. I'll take some pictures outside and I'm good to go.